Welcome back to my piano channel. Today I'd like to show you the scales. A scale is a sequence of notes arranged in an ascending or descending order of pitch. Now, since that's a little bit complicated, I have also an easier definition. A scale is a group of musical notes played in order from low to high and from high to low. So let's take a look at the C scale. C scale goes like this: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. That is a C scale. A D scale has two sharps: D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. The E scale has four sharps: E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. The F scale has one flat: F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. The G scale has one sharp: G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. The A scale has three sharps: A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. The B scale has five sharps: B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. Those are the main scales that you need to know. Now let's take a look at the C sharp scale. In the C sharp scale, every note is a sharp: C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, and C sharp. Now we played the C sharp scale, but if you want less symbols, you would want to play the D flat scale. It only has 5 flats, while C sharp has 7 sharps: D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, D flat. Now let's take a look at the E flat scale. E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat. Now the F sharp scale has 6 sharps: F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp. F sharp and G flat scale are played exactly the same and have the same amount of sharps and flats. Now the A flat scale. A flat scale has 4 flats: A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, and A flat. And then the B flat has 2 flats: B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat.